basically if you give the package, there is the continuous touch up with the doctors and dietitians. So they will advise time to time. Because in my science, especially in this new Ayurveda, particularly in a chronic diabetes, where the person is having diabetic retinopathy, diabetic neuropathy and diabetic nephropathy also, in one go in this package, once they undergo the entire treatment protocols with the proper diet, the resultant effects will be seen in a single day to fourth day. In fourth day, they have to taper down the medications, particularly this insulin. If at all they are taking 3 times 30 units, 30 units, 30 units, they have to taper down fourth day 3 units. And thereafter, in every week, they have to taper down 3 units each time. And the HbA1c, in a single month, they can see the reduction from 1.5 to 2 units in a month itself.